Who's a friendly little bee, playing oh so happily, buzzing here and buzzing there, busy buzzing everywhere. Maya loves and Maya cares, Maya gives and Maya shares. Maya likes to play around, but she'll never let you down. Maya, Maya the bee. Maya, Maya the bee. See her flying through the air, buzzing here and buzzing there, saying catch me if you dare, busy buzzing everywhere. Maya, Maya the bee. Maya, Maya the bee.
Come along to Ballooner Landing, there's a welcome for everyone. Make new friends in Ballooner Landing, come along and join the fun.
It's Two Good Dogs
And Prudence the parrot, and all the little critters in Critter Corral,
new songs to sing in Ballooner Landing.
and another story to tell. Come along to Ballooner Landing, there's a welcome for everyone. Make new friends in Ballooner Landing, come along and join the fun.
Je m'appelle Marie-Soleil, bonjour. Je m'appelle Marie-Soleil, bonjour. Tous mes tous m'aiment, ma maman aussi. Tous mes tous m'aiment, ça je vous le dis.
Oh my goodness, it's that time again. GP, where are you?
Oh, he's up here, Abby.
Oh my, I'm under control, Ooh.
On Katie's farm, imagination's the rule. We play the cat so calm and cool. Demi and Darcy and Ed come along. Lila the cow, she's everyone's mom. Bryce the collie barks and runs free, while Blue the horse naps under a tree. Percival Pig just squeals all the time. With Biggie Hamster, why? Join the gang for adventures and fun. Katie's farm is for everyone.
Do you ever wonder what could happen under an umbrella tree? Sunny days of thunder, your friends are waiting under the umbrella tree. So come on everybody, see you up at Holly's. There's no better place to be. In your imagination, you'll find an invitation under the umbrella tree.
Can you walk like a dragon? Can you talk like a dragon? Dance about like a dragon? Can you shout like a dragon? Can you swing like a dragon? Spring like a dragon? Can you give it absolutely everything like a dragon? Can you sing it like a dragon? Sing it! Dudley, Dudley the dragon, Dudley, Dudley the dragon, laughing or singing or playing a game. If you're looking for adventure, call out his name. Dudley, Dudley the dragon, Dudley, Dudley the dragon, the adventures of Dudley the dragon.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to clown around? With Lynette and Molly, I'll climb her dolly on the big comfy couch. There is lots to doodle-do. Lynette loves to read for you, with a wiggle and a giggle and some goofy friends. The place where silliness never ends. Get ready. All over and under the big comfy couch. Get ready, get ready, get ready to clown around. With Lynette and Molly, I'm climbing her dolly on the big comfy couch.
I know a secret place you won't want to be missing. A place where tales are told, stop talking and listen.
You can get there on the bus, riding uphill and down. The place we're talking about is called Telltale Town.
Tall tales, skinny tales, fat tales too, are waiting to be told, just a waiting there for you.
Hear them at the library, hear them at the store, and at the ice cream parlor where I know you'll scream for more.
So follow me, moving to the beat. Take the royal blue bus, it's a-coming down the street.
Make sure you've got your ticket and a smile on a frown.
Then join us on our journey through
Telltale Town.
Call your dad or call your mother, bring a sister or a brother. Jump, jog, skip or run, come take part in the fun.
Take part!
Send a message to your cousins, bring your kinfolk by the dozens. Unannounced through snow or sun, come take part in the fun.
Take part!
And if your family starts to wonder what the fuss is all about, you can say it's just for fun, and then by gosh the secret's out.
Take part!
Telephone to your Aunt Kate, tell her that she's not too late. No, no, we've just begun to take part in the fun.
Take part!
Reach for the speed, reach for the whistle, go where the rail may run. Reach for the words reach for the story, follow the rainbow sun to a shining time station where dreams can come true, waiting there for you.
Now if you're looking for a place to play in, where friends are friends and green is green all day, and if you're looking for a spot to stay in, where problems that you face together sometimes melt away. Come on down.